In your 2019-2022 VW Jetta, the Oil Life Monitor tracks engine oil degradation based on mileage, driving conditions, engine temperature, and oil quality. The oil change due or wrench icon appears on the dashboard when the oil life reaches 0% or drops to a low threshold, typically around 15% or lower. Resetting this system after an oil change is crucial for accurate maintenance tracking. It recalibrates the monitor based on key factors including mileage driven, driving conditions, engine temperature, and oil quality, ensuring the system accurately estimates when your next oil change will be needed. For the 2019-2022 VW Jetta models, resetting the oil life monitor doesn't require any special tools. You can perform the reset using the vehicle's built-in controls, either the buttons on the steering wheel or through the infotainment screen menu. Park your Jetta and turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Using the instrument cluster buttons, press and hold the 0.0 trip reset button on the left side of the steering wheel for 3 to 5 seconds until the service menu appears. Navigate to oil change or service reset using the arrow buttons and confirm the reset. Alternatively, if your Jetta has the MIB3 infotainment system, go to Settings, then Service and Checks, then Oil Change and Reset. After resetting, briefly start the engine to confirm the light is cleared. If issues persist, use an OBD2 tool to scan for error codes.